That's so much. So much.
Dada fix it already. It's not happening anymore.
But it happened. It can happen again.
Dada fix it already.
But
Well,
but you still have a house, right? Oh,
but evil spirits are real.
'di ba? You still have a house, then you
Spirits
have a
are real.
safe safe
Evil
place to
spirits
sleep.
are real. I'm not kidding. Evil spirits are real like manananggal, tik-tik. But sometimes they can go to real cities. Sometimes.
Sometimes lang. But your house will keep you safe, 'di ba? O
But
sige,
I'm
let
not a
me ask you.
boy. And it's a
Oh,
girl. It's not a boy.
let me ask you something. When there are monsters outside, where do you want to be?
In my house, but it's
'Di ba?
never safe. They can destroy the walls. They
But it's
can
the
take
safest.
over the house.
But it's the safest. 'Di ba? It's still the safest. 'Di ba? 'Di ba you always choose your house because it's the safest. Correct? Oh, so don't be scared of your own house. Okay? It's your own house. No matter what happens, it keeps you safe. Okay? Sige. Yeah. Oh, never ever watch any more
Don't
scary
touch
videos,
my
okay?
phone.
Because that's what happens to you when you watch scary videos.
Okay.
Never watch it anymore. You're banned.
Yes,
You need to do
I
detox.
just like to, because Algae said make me scared. So mom went to YouTube, but the YouTube that can be shown on on Messenger to show Algae. So mom did that. She played the trailer and it's super super scary. She keeps on telling me watch, just watch wala. But the flying crazy and they almost like walk and they like fly at 12 o'clock outside.
What's so scary about it? Kids flying. What's so scary
But
about kids flying? They're
but
not
crazy,
monsters. They
but
don't have
crazy
weapons.
face. But crazy face,
Crazy,
crazy face.
crazy faces.
But that's 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
But you're
That's so
already asleep.
cool.
But you're
No
already asleep by
one.
12 o'clock, di ba? You're already sleeping by 12. Oh, so you're safe. Di ba? You won't even see it. Even if it happens in real life, you're already sleeping by 12.
But they can go inside the house and attack us with these sticks. Because I always put this in the garage.
But I'm always there, di ba? I'm always there to protect you, right? Oh,
But not
do you
now.
think, do you think Dada will lose against those monsters, against those kids? Do you think I'll
Yes, you
lose?
know what? Yes, you know why?
Why?
Because the adults are the ones stabbing the fork on their face.
It's okay. Mom's there too, di ba? Oh, mom's
But she's
strong.
a
Dada's strong.
girl. But she's a girl.
But I'm a boy. It's okay. We have dogs too. Oh, 50 and Hansel. Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry
But
about it.
Howard. Oh no.
Okay?
Don't you know, the more you get scared, the more the monsters will be powerful.
no.
You have
That's
to be
their
brave.
that's their food.
Okay, this is the idea, AG. Okay? Be brave enough. I have an idea. Listen to me.
Okay.
I need to see you. Oh, this is my idea. Oh, okay. Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, you go upstairs. Okay? Be brave enough.
I
Get
don't
your,
know how
di
to
ba? Get
behave.
your tablet. Are you listening ba?
Yes, but I don't know how to behave.
Ito nga. Listen muna. Go upstairs. Be brave even for 10 seconds. Okay? Get your tablet and then you can do other things. Watch or play games. I will allow you. So you can wash off these scary thoughts inside your brain. Okay? Okay? Good idea? 'Di ba? Good idea? 'Di ba? Oh. Okay, go do it. Sige na. You need to go back to work.
You count 10 seconds.
Okay? You just need 10 or 15 seconds to get it. So easy. 'Di ba? Okay?
Yung phone ko!
Good
Tama
job.
na, sige na. Bye
Okay.
na.
Bye, AJ. I need to work. Bye.
Bye.